Today I'd like to take a look at this 1963 Ford truck we have for sale. It's an F100, former military vehicle with the nomenclature tag. Was originally an Army vehicle. It's an excellent driver. It would be a wonderful project if somebody wanted to restore it, drive it as it is, or bring it back to its original military heritage. It would be a wonderful thing as well. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at a few of the features the truck has. Let's take a look. There's, of course, points, plugs, condensers, new carburetor on it, fuel filter. We also replaced the gas tank in the vehicle. It's got a new battery. We have driven the vehicle quite a bit. It's very dependable. It's just a great truck. Anybody would really enjoy having this truck. All right, let's take a look here. Take notice. You'll see this is the original. This is the original factory Army nomenclature tag, which is missing on a lot of the military vehicles that you come across. It's a very desirable thing to find. It does have the military safety belts, which is another hard to come by item, as well as the four-way flashers installed for the military. The truck runs real well. I didn't mention before that it does have grease fittings in the front kingpins. They did that for the military as well, so that it's a whole lot easier to drive than the ones you come across with the frozen kingpins. Additionally, it's got a steel plate over wood in the back. They put the steel plate over the wood bed in the back of the truck on the military vehicles. That's another feature which adds to ride comfort. The seat, although it is the original seat and has been seat cover on it, has been padded. It rides very, very comfortably. It's very comfortable, very nice riding truck. So in conclusion, if you're looking for a great truck, very enjoyable, dependable, this could be the truck for you. Thank you. Have a great day.